Bruh, we lost Juice WRLD. Why didn't God come and take Blueface or some shit? He take Juice WRLD?
Juice, he made songs in one take, like he didn't stop. It's like he just painted it.
He rapped for like 30 minutes straight. Put on another beat.
You press play on the beat, instantly does a full song. Then he says, do it again. Then does another song, and it's the best song you've ever heard. And then he said, pick which one you like better. Fastest, best ever.
We had people like Ice-T. Could have took Ice-T or some shit. Went through some shit.
I admit it, another hoe got me finished. Broke my heart, oh no you didn't.
Me and Juice had a friendship that we never really talked about our problems because we just always enjoyed the good time that we were having where we were together.
I'm gonna give you my number, so if you need to talk about anything, if you need to reach me, I'm just go ahead and give my number to y'all. So all my fans can have it.
He was really talented, man. You know, like, it's such a sad situation because it was so unexpected.